Hi everyone, this is Mahesh Reddy. In this class, I am going to deal about sample embedded system on MSP 430. Here, we are going to discuss about weighing machine. So you can find this weighing machine in every supermarket and other retail sales, or in bakeries or grocery shops, etc. This is a digital weighing machine which is used for calculating the weight and display the corresponding equivalent in LCD. LCD means liquid crystal display. Let us see here how it is built with the help of MSP 430. MSP means mixed signal processor. What do you mean by mixed signal processor? It can process both analog information as well as digital information. As we know that many of the sensor output is analog in nature. So there is a need of converting this analog information into digital form because your microcontroller MSP 430 is a digital device. So internally there is a feature of analog to digital converter. The resolution of 16-bit. With the help of this ADC, you can convert analog information into digital information. So it is termed as MSP 430. That is mixed signal processor. See here. And coming to the weighing machine shown in figure, it includes the following functional blocks. Here, what is the first block? The first block, it is a sensor which is having 4 resistive elements arranged as a Wheatstone bridge. Ideally, this is balanced when there is no load. That is, when there is no load, that is no weight, this bridge will be in the balanced state, giving V plus is equal to V minus. Here these two are equal. And what happens when weight is placed? When weight is placed, 2 of the resistances increase and 2 of the resistances decrease, which drives the bridge to out of balance. This bridge becomes unbalanced. And here the differential amplifier present here magnifies the difference in the voltage between the input terminals. That is V plus minus V minus. It amplifies and gives V out signal here. And this analog output of the amplifier is converted to binary value with the help of this analog to digital converter. And that digital value is given to microcontroller. What microcontroller do? The microcontroller multiplies the input by an appropriate factor so that the display gives the weight in grams or ounces as you wish. So what my controller is doing, it multiplying input by an appropriate factor so that it will give weight in grams or ounces, and it subtracts an offset so that the display reads 0 when no weight is present. That is, when weight is not present means it should display 0 in the LCD. And see here 2 buttons are present which are used to supervise the complete system. You can set to 0 with the help of these 2 buttons. That is, you can set the initial point. And here you can see the LCD controller. This is the interface between the or mediator between the your LCD liquid crystal display and microcontroller. This LCD controller takes input from the microcontroller, digital input, and sends that information to the display. And what this LCD display will do, it will display the equivalent weight, and this is the way how actually our weighing machine works internally. Thank you for listening.